On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, 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 gang. What's going on, everybody? Happy Thirsty Thursdays. Get your coffee out. Market is dumping. Donald, baby. Oil, baby. Who knows, man? Slurp. Well, down we go. Where we stop? Well, initial jobless claims coming out in 27 minutes. Good morning, you beautiful, fuzzy, gorgeous otters. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on? And let's see where we're going today. Let's see what you guys did. Did you quit your job and start trading? Did you have a job? Did you have a job and learned how to trade? I still don't know how to trade. How about that one? And then other. Let me know. All right. I'm always curious because like I worked and then learned how to trade while working, but a lot of people like. A lot of people just like, they get fired. They get fired and all of a sudden, boom. They're a day trader. It's whatever you do, don't put day trader on your whatever profile there. Harmony. We're old, right? What's the old person? It's not Tinder. Is it eHarmony? Guys, we should sign up for. We should do eHarmony on the side as a joke. See how many hits we get as a day trader. Have you ever tried online dating before? I'm an online dating pro. Okay, this is going the wrong direction already. My wife is gonna be like, "What the fuck? What are you doing, boy?" Farmers only. Started while working, quit to start uni, and focus more on trading. Nice. G1 in the chat. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning, Simple Jack. Good morning, people. Vinny. Can you please explain how you're able to short crypto in Canada? I'm having no luck finding an exchange that allows it. Well, you're in luck, man. Non-KYC exchanges. You got a couple. You got BitGet. BitGet is one of them in Canada, like one of the KYC approved exchanges in all of Canada. You got BitGet. You got a whole bunch of most people in trading use a VPN, okay? With a non-KYC exchange. I mean, you still got to pay your taxes. Okay, taxes are real. Oh man, this is dumping, man. But if you need an exchange, I would suggest Bitunix. I use Bitunix. We have an amazing deposit bonus for our community. And the way I do it, I use it on Brave browser because you can put your NordVPN directly on your Brave browser. Okay, so on your exchange, Bitunix, you sign up. You don't have to use my link. Look, we made $600 something yesterday, 19,868. We're up again. It's been slow and steady grind here on the AlexOCrypto show. And the best thing about Brave browser is you can put your VPN. I'm not going to hover over. I don't want to expose myself too much here. You can put a widget or whatever, that extension on Brave browser. So it's directly on the exchange, so it's not on the entire computer. I do have it on the other things on my computer, but this causes less lag. I don't know if anybody else uses this hack, but it's much better, especially because I'm running so many. I mean, my computer is an absolute rocket, but it's definitely a good way. I would suggest to anybody to use your VPN on that on the browser rather than the entire computer. Bull divs on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. Yep, I see it. Into our platinum pocket. This is the Piper pocket. We might as well call it the Piper pocket, platinum pocket. Pardon me. And I'm asked. Yeah, Nadeem quit his job today. He's been learning trading for 2 years. He's part of the family. Nadeem, God bless you, man. Thank you for being part of our community and the Otter Gang. He's been trading for 2 years and he quit his job today. Let's go. Let's go. Bom dia. Let's go. Torti. Amica mia. Okay. Good morning, Nadeem, Torti, Ghost of Odyssey, Rise and Shine, Otter Gang. Thanks for the knowledge, Alex. So always, man, Odyssey, thank you for being here. And thank you for being part of the family as well. A lot of Otter family in here. Adrian, Ben, Alexander G, always showing up. We haven't done an Alexander G emoji spam. I noticed we don't have as many people with emojis anymore because we don't do the mod giveaway at the end of the month. Maybe we can do it this month. Pushing. I'm trying to bounce. Chop at the bottom here. Oil, guys. Look at this. Do you want to get in the way of this gravy train? Because this thing is ripping. Whew. Whoa, look at the NASDAQ. Bye-bye. NASDAQ trying to bounce, but... Oh, man. Donald, you've done it again. I'm telling you, the better moves are in Asia. Look at our day yesterday. I mean... I managed to flip a little bit long in here last night. Okay, for a little gain. I don't even know what the account was at yesterday. I showed you guys 19,000 or something like that. So I made like $600, $700, $800 yesterday. I don't know. Very simple day for me. But I said to the gang, if we lose this level here, very, very bearish. Why? Why is it very bearish? Okay, well, when we look at the context, right? So we have liquidity in here. We're holding, right? We're holding yesterday. But this is topping structure with lower highs. Okay? Mitigation, lower highs. If you're a structure master, if you're like a Borat, right? If you can recognize this, 1, 2, you can make money, right? Because once you recognize that we're breaking and we're rotating down, right? This pump is just telling you the higher we go, the easier it is for me to short. because I'm going to make more money. As long as we don't close a candle above this one, we're good to go down. And what do we get? Chop solidation, sell wall, right? Everybody had the sell wall in the Discord. And down we went. Okay, for those who are trading at 10 o'clock at night, I'm in bed. But I always set up everybody for Asia, okay? I always set up you guys for Asia. And look at that. I mean, big scam wick up, then chop underneath the golden pocket, and then bye-bye. Then we rolled right through. We had a golden pocket buy level here, rolled right through. Now we're in an order block here, platinum pocket right here, trying to bounce, right? So, fun times, man. This isn't easy trading. So if you are around right now and you're struggling a little bit, that's good. You're learning a lot. I have clearly reduced my size. I mean, massively, because it's not. This price action ain't for like. It'll make you think. This is thinking action, right? Because like you dump, then you chop, then 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 you chop, then you dump, and now what are we doing? We're chopping, right? It is very confusing for some people. Obviously, our trend is down. Right? Obviously, this is down. However, bull divs. Bull divs. Bull divs. Bull divs. It's still going down. So bull divs aren't working clearly. What do you need in order for a bull div to work? Generally, well, you want to see structure change, right? So if you are breaking down, these are all going to be bull divs in here. Cool. They're useless unless you're looking for retracement scalps. Okay. With bull divs, you need to have some sort of confirmation. Okay. You need to have that kind of break here. Right. That's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a reversal Valhalla trade, if you don't have that, well, look at the highs here. Look at the highs here. Look at the highs here. Okay. There's no reason for you to long anywhere in here. Unless you're looking for the simple little dip down retracement trade. What's the problem with looking for the retracement trade here, guys? Is that sometimes you catch this low. Sometimes you catch this low and you get money. You get money. And sometimes you go to catch this low and you get absolutely shat on, right? And then you try to catch this low and you get absolutely shat on. And then you get this one, you go, woo. And you get this one, you go, woo. You get this one, you go, woo. And then you go, oh, shit. Okay? And a lot of people who don't manage their risk properly, this one F's them for the day. Okay? Lazy river trade, guys. Now, we are pretty overextended to the downside, right? And as a scalper, I can take these little ones. And I also understand how to practice good risk management to not get wrecked on these ones. Okay. But we shall see. We shall see. Okay. Typically, you want to go on a higher term time frame. You want to look at this thing and be like, which way is the river flowing, right? Which way? Where can I jump in my beautiful little dinghy and ride this puppy all the way down the lazy river? That's it, right? Take profit. 1, 2, leave a runner. Happy days, right? However, we all want to catch the bottom. I get it. You guys are all booty snatchers. You guys are all butt mans. Put some peaches in the chat. If you like to catch the bottom, put that. You just want to show the P&L card in the Discord. You want to be the ultimate booty catcher. It ain't going to make you profitable, but at least you caught the bottom and you get to show everybody, right? Rebel Moon, good morning. Proof of Work, good morning. Lorelei, good to see you. How you been? Wagwan, Philly Skills, good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? Triple. Terry. No strawberries today, Terry. Didn't puff puff pass? Pa? So Flowers, G1, let's go. VW, Mortimer, Duke, Shriyam, Pandy, Isaac, Castile, STL. Let's go. Good to see you guys. See, there we go. VW short from 89. Let's go. Soul got wrecked, man. Look at this. This thing is absolutely in the bed. Great job. You're short at 89. Nice. You're living the dream then, man. Living the dream. Keen Bean. I wish I was awake at 3 in the morning. Keen Bean, Crypto Titan, Carl. What's going on? Bearded Mac. Oh my God. How you doing, bro? Joseph Cox. That's good, man. Got most of the short. Trailing stop loss. Finally got hit. Let's go. Well, great job, Primo. That's good work, man. That's good work. Looking to bounce here. Bull div. Continuation up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're pretty overextended, right? I mean, what goes up must come down. That's price action right now. This is a little bit more constructive. I like the imbalance in here for a target. We'll see. We'll see where we get to this morning. Baby Genius, Ben. Good morning. Good morning, El Candles. Andrew Cameron, my man. How's the baby doing? I mean, not really a baby anymore now. How old is your kid now? 6 months? 7? Mega Max, Andrew Cameron, Gen C, good to see you. Crypto Hung. I'm going to call you Crypto Hung like a horse. How about that? Is that too far? I don't think that's too far for this show. Come on. Andy, what's going on, Andy? God bless you, bro. Overcome and that. STL Coin. Chantel, always saying good morning. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, Chantel. Crypto Titan. Steve Hickey Dusty. Army Piper is retarded. How can we short in Canada? I'm always short in Canada, just naturally, but I think I explained that. Mine mates, good to see you, Andy. I wish I could short Canada. Yeah, the entire country, I wish I could short it too. Negative GDP. Love my career, just looking to learn how to trade and work at the same time. Let's go, Mac. Let's go. Love having you around, man. Tool, good morning. Are we looking for 66K today? We're at our famous level, man. We are at 69,420, baby. I mean, this is the Tony Soprano level. This is the one that makes the money. I bet you he's short right now. I bet you he's short from the 69,420 level. Save the Republicans. Okay. What's going on? Good morning. And good morning, Alex. I got wrecked in a long last night. Then I set a short, fell asleep, and now I'm up 135%. Well, that's good. You should never get wrecked, though. There is no excuse for getting wrecked, okay? There isn't. This is a fucking stop loss. Sorry for swearing, but, I mean, you should never be wrecked, man. This is a long-term game. Long-term game. Stop chasing numbers, man. Just trade the process, man. Trade the process. I'm used to having 2K, 3, 4, 5K days, guys. I've been having 400 days, 600 days, 800. I've reduced size. Okay, I'm compounding a $10,000 account right now. Started it last Monday, right? I mean, I'm up 9, almost 10 grand in 2 weeks. Come on, baby. Come on. I ain't working. I ain't going to work. I'm hanging out with you guys. All right, I'm clicking some buttons. That's where we want to be. So don't get wrecked, please. You know, manage your risk. Take high probability trade setups. Trading on the job, Mr. Cal. That's good. I've been there too, man. Dusty. I met my wife on a dating site 7 years after we got married. Dusty, you punk ass, man. That's wild. Jeez. Pink. How are you going to start? I hope you start a good day. Thanks, Rashad, man. God bless you, bro. We got 10 minutes till this jobless claims thing comes out. Rogan calling Canada the richest country in the world. Well, Canada could be could be. We have the most minerals. We have the most natty gas. We have second most oil deposits in the world. We have all the makings to be, the richest country, but we like to keep it all in the ground. We don't like to share it. And we like to push green agendas. That's it, man. We're all about the environment. Yeah. I'm so enthusiastic. 6 months. Nice. And it's her mother's birthday. Well, you know what? You got a job to do today, Cameron. So why are you here trading? I'm just saying. Go and kiss your wife. Asia market is definitely the best. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at these bottom snatchers in here. My God. You tell the guys in the chat to put a peach in the chat and it just goes buck wild. You got to know your community, right? If you're a content creator, you got to understand your audience. I know you guys are just a bunch of beautiful, handsome millennials / boomers / whatever who like booty. And the ladies are here can put up with us to that extent. Thank you, ladies, for being here and putting up with us. I left Australia for Greece, got wrecked on my hodl bags. Okay. Farming airdrops. That sounds horrible. I didn't get into that ever, and I don't think I will. But I hopefully, Terry, you hopefully might. Fair income might. Well, I thank you for your honesty. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey, man. Hype on Brave, thank you, Vinny, no problem. Could this be the next leg down? Well, you don't have to go too far to understand what's going on here, right? So, whatever it looks like, right? It's very similar. So, we wait for the news right now. That's our job. Our job here is to wait for news. We got 8 minutes till news. Initial jobless claims. I would expect this to come down. Okay, right here. Jobs are important. Let's face it, right? So they're thinking 210, right? I would like it to be really bad. Rip the Band-Aid off, man. Rip the Band-Aid off. Okay, and that will flashbang. That will affect the data here. The data. No rate hike or rate cut, right? They're saying hikes right now. Yeah. We'll see. 75% chance of a cut coming into July, though. Okay. That's a weird one. What's up with that, Piper? What's up with that? Wait. Is that a hike or a cut? No, that's staying neutral. That's not a cut. 22% chance of a hike. Hike, meaning they're going to raise interest rates because of inflation. Because of oil, guys. Everything's going up. There's already panic going on in the world. And all of the Otter Gang, if you are here at Family, put your trading view name here and I'll grant you access to the indicator. Okay? All you people in the family. I'll do that after this stream. Coffee is good today, man. You know when you just mix it right? I was mixing it and then I put a little splash of cream in it and I was like, you know what? That needs a little bit more. That little bit more today, that decision has started my day on the right way. You know? The first one really matters, doesn't it? Is anybody else like that about their coffee? Like the first one really matters. I love you too, Alex. You have a wonderful name, by the way. Curtis Hill, good to see you. Mr. Pixel, good morning. Short from 71, let's go. Zaya, NW, Terry, very nice. I like. Buongiorno, Jay. ¿Cómo está? Spawn. Mortimer Duke, good to see you. Let's go. Treating it like Pac-Man, mindful sweeps, yeah. They're trapping traders right now, in my opinion. It's just like this, man. It's the same thing, right? It's just how do you participate safely? Both hands, Steve Hickey. you naughty man. Naughty, naughty. A bottom clincher. I thought it said bottom clincher. Catcher. Okay, sorry. Are you puckered when you trade? Oh, man. Too funny. Too funny. Of course, Andrew. Dread mining kind of... It's very gay, man. It's very gay, Scottfield. So waiting for news right now. Chopping sideways, everybody. Good morning. Tony is the man. Yeah, absolutely. Primo Viva. Rogan calling Canada. Yeah. Initial jobless claims. All right. Largest diamond man. Yeah. Diamond mine. What's going on, Miguel? Yesterday, Chop messed me up. Yeah. I'm telling you, it's like wait for Asia. Hype on the gains. F the swear jar. I offend some people when I swear, though, so I'm trying to be better. Most people don't know that Canada is one of the largest diamond mines. Yeah. Canada Renewable Energy, we are shitting the bed. Let me guess, no trades once again. Nope, not for you. For the Discord, yeah. You could just come in and say good morning. You don't have to be rude like that, not tissist. Good morning to you, though. Thank you for being here. We took two... How many trades did we take yesterday? We took one for $300 live, didn't we? The day before we took another one for $300 live. So we've traded on 2 out of 3 live streams. Okay. Cha-ching. Anyways, I don't have to justify it to you, man. Funk. Terry. Easy. Bafanculo. She's still in bed. Well, you know what to do, Andrew. You got the assignment, Andrew. She's still in bed. Get it. Whoosh. You're supposed to enter from the lower portion, Andrew. Right, here's Andrew. Put on your Superman cape. Boom, 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 boom. Here's your lovely wife sleeping. And you're supposed to go. And this is why we click the button that you should be over 18 in order to be on the live show. It's not recommended for it's not recommended for children. So you got to put the cape on, though, man. It's all about the cape. How did the indicators look? Like this. Like this. Right. They're working pretty well. We're getting everybody to try and break them and find some ideas with them. Because it's a community thing, right? It's a community thing. Jobless claims in 1 minute. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. $210 coming in as expected. No change. So it's dropped a bit, but it came in as expected. So not a very big shock to the system. Oh, it said 210. Yeah, 210. Not a big shock. Okay, that's a good thing. So nothing burger. Burgers are nothing. Cape is cool, but a flashlight makes the adventure. Absolutely. Andrew Cameron's got, but it's definitely got to be like if he's going in, he's got to wear the. I'm so bad at drawing, so it's definitely got to put on. He's got to be able to use his hands too, so it's got to have the miner's flashlight. Right, so when he goes in there, he can, navigate the cave into the abyss there. Curtis Hill. It's definitely got to have the. Definitely got to have the the headband. I agree. Headlamp. Otherwise, he could go down the wrong part of the cave, right? So you always got to be careful. He's going spelunking. Andrew's going spelunking today. Oh, and too far on the AlexOCrypto show. Woohoo, I got like 69. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Maybe an oxygen tank. All right, way too far now. Way too far. We're gonna beat the horse to death, all right? Trying to rotate up here, pushing back. Looking good. Looking good here, pushing back. Coming up into resistance. 69,420 level. This is a very choppy level, guys. So we'll see how price behaves in here. Tony Soprano level. See if we can reclaim, maybe push. Uptrending, downtrending momentum here really needs to break the highs. That's job number one, really. Getting through here and breaking the highs is kind of, if we're going to get long, kind of deal. Right? Into platinum pocket here, bounce level, defending the lows of the higher term time frame. So really, what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at a lot of chop, guys, a lot of uncertainty, right? If we just look at this as a range, right? It's a nice range, nice developed range here, and we can see that we've clearly lost our point of control up at the highs here and come down into this kind of choppy area in here. So we can see how well really this area right here has been defended, this and this. So when we're looking at this in general, right, we can see how well these lows in here have been defended. But also if we lose that area, we're definitely coming down here, right? So the highs. So if this, then that. Right now, this is pretty aggressive when we're looking at this on higher term time frames. We can see we got the beautiful Magneto McDonald's pattern. Solana's down here, guys. If we look at Solana, right? Solana's dumped a lot more aggressively than Bitcoin, which is natural, but this suggests maybe continuation down. Okay, does not look strong right now. We were looking at inverse head and shoulders here, right? Inverse head and shoulders. But look at the failure to push higher, right? Failure to push higher, mitigation of the low, right? Downtrend. Failure to push up, very choppy. News-driven data, right? Like it's all been Trump tweets and Trump failures and Trump this and Trump that, right? So trying to defend these lows. Yeah, right? Not too keen. However, the way we've pushed down in here, okay, especially right here, gives me the idea that we could potentially bounce up into here before heading lower. And depending on structure in here, we could actually bounce out of here. We are range bound, right? Let's not complicate it, right? Let's not complicate it. We can take this fixed range volume profile and just pull it from when we started having, the push outs here, right? So I like splitting it a little bit. And if we're looking at this here, it really needs to get back above that $70,000 level. That's going to be the psychological level in order for price to flip. Otherwise, it's going to act as major resistance. So if this, then that. Down only right now, guys. So down only, we look to short, right? It gives you hopium into dumpium over and over again, right? And it does it a couple times, right? So we don't chase here. We want to short up here, right? Like if we're looking at how this has behaved, right? So we dump and then we chop the highs, right? We're not looking to like kind of jump in here. We're looking to try and jump in here, right? Just like right now, we're not looking to jump in here. We're looking to potentially jump in here. First one's always questionable. Same with this one here, right? So jump in here. Okay. Just breaking down slowly, methodically. Oil is ripping up 4.5% to start the day. Oof, look at that thing. Up only. Up only. SPY looking to gap down. NASDAQ bleeding out. NASDAQ ain't too happy right now. Okay. Ain't too happy at all. So we can see the same thing here on Bitcoin. Breaking down. Okay, so looking to come back all the way down to the lows right now. Looking to rotate to these lows. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. GG's on your short. There's no reason to long right now. I wouldn't. Just saying. For all those who are short, naturally or in the trade, congratulations on your shorts. I love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. You guys know that. Celebrate your victories here, because trading ain't easy, man. The only thing that is easy is to hit that damn like button. I wonder what it's at. I haven't even checked today, and I haven't even asked you guys. 310 people in here, and we got only 82 likes. That's okay. That's still rookie numbers, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. And thank you for subscribing and hanging out. But right now we wait. This has been a lot of waiting. A lot of waiting, a lot of patience. Not easy trading. For anyone who's new, welcome. Thank you for being here. If you're new to trading, thank you as well for being here. You're in the right place. You know, there's certain people, Jason Casper, Trader Geo, Crypto Crank. You know, there's certain people who are trading the market live, showing you their trades, taking the trades. In my opinion, traders helping traders is what it's all about. I ain't here to fucking be a YouTuber. I don't give two smacks about that. I started trading live for accountability and to hang out with you guys, because trading's fucking boring sometimes. And it's meant to be boring, and you got to be okay being bored, but I like hanging out with you guys and talking a lot of smack, so here we are. But in the bear market, this is where you're built, right? This is where you learn how to be patient. This is where you learn how to be disciplined. This is where you learn how to adjust. So, like, for me, I've sized down massively, right? Like, I'm normally risking $2,000 per trade. I'm risking 300, 400, 500 max. Because it's just the environment, right? I don't like trading this environment. So I've reduced my size. I'm still winning. I'm still up big, right? Up almost 10 grand this past week and a half. And we continue to show up and do it, right? The Discord's been on fire. Kyle gave the short from up here in our Discord. We gave you guys the level. Kyle gave you guys the short. I mean, the Discord's on fire still. TP's getting hit on the signal traders in the Discord. The community tends to shrink a little bit. The real ones stay, and they learn, and they develop the skills necessary to be successful. And then when they get into a bull run, where its pullbacks are for buying, and they're into this, and you just buy it, and then you make tons of money, right? And it's not just sideways, pop, sideways, pop. When they get into actual, it doesn't really matter which way it's going as long as it's flowing, right? Market's always moving, right? When they're used to trading this and then they get into this environment, oh, buddy. People who develop the skills to be patient here and throughout this, and to see this thing dump overnight and not try to jump in FOMO long or short, right? Those are the people who last, in my opinion, right? Most traders don't make it to 3 months. Those who make it to 6 months have a better chance of staying full time. That's the statistic. That's hard to say. That's the statistic. Can everybody say that with me? That's the statistic. Say that fast. That's the statistic. That's the statistic. Now say big floppy donkey dick. Anybody love that movie? One in the chat? Now say that's statistic. No, Cartman? No? Come on. It's hard to say, man. Don't be a douche canoe. Are you still going on, man? I don't know who is worse, your lifer, aka Sam Price. Both pathetic traders. Bro, you can fuck right off. I made 147,000 in 1 month. Anyways. You gone, man. I ain't got no time for that shit. You in my house, man. Don't shit on my rug. What an asshole. Some people, man. Someone shitting his cereal every single day. He must be hurting. I'll pray for you, man. I'll pray for him. Every morning, coming in. Every morning coming in talking smack, man. Yeah, he got liquidated and probably mad. Some people are just into shitting on rugs. Oh, man. Did that motherfucker just compare AlexO to scam price? Oh, my God. Oh, Piper. That's funny, man. What a douche canoe. Every day. Every day has been coming in here being a troll. Some people just have nothing better to do. Some people just want to see the world burn. It's weird how people come in and watch you every morning and then they just and then they say things like that. It's kind of weird. Isn't there 1 hour Big M? Could it reverse based on news or a Trump tweet? I mean, yes, we don't have equal lows yet, and we do have the Big M. However, it's just liquidity, right? So you've moved up too quickly here, so you've rotated back down pretty quickly, and we're back to where we started. So now we look for price to potentially push back, but we would like to see, momentum change in here. That would be key, in my opinion. Right now, just waiting here. See, rollover, trap shorts, push back. Rollover, trap shorts, push back, right? It's just yuck. Just yuck, man. That song's stuck in your head? What song's that? Which one is it? We got a whole bunch of them now. I love chilling here. Cool people are few and far between. I mean, the gang is strong, man. The gang is strong. I bet you he loves CME gaps too, yeah. For me, no trading in range, yeah. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Genius. Funny thing is, he didn't even make... Do I see it bouncing from here? Well, we're really in the platinum pocket area where we could potentially look for it. At this point, we're looking for potential bounce here. This is kind of like the last straw, so it needs to reclaim 69,420 before heading up. Otherwise, we're looking to sweep this low, come down, whoop, and then get going. Imbalance here, imbalance here. So targets on the way up if we are going to bounce. However, this thing is not looking strong at all, right? Like clear weakness, clear exhaustion up at the highs all the way through. You can see, look at the wicks on the candles up in here, right? And then the rotation down, right? You can see the break here and then the rotation down. So for me right now, obviously Asia and London have been cooking, right? I think the cleaner trades, I mean, London and Asia, the cleaner trades have been here, right? Look at New York here, dump, right? New York chop, right? So Asia, and yeah, I think they've been a lot nicer to trade. I mean, still violent, still like very choppy and poppy, still same price action, chop, dump, chop, dump, chop, dump, right? But a lot better than this. This was tricky yesterday. I mean, I took a couple scalps in here, and then I managed to catch a nice one in here. But it still was a bit tricky. Trying to pop off here. We got nice momentum on 12 and 24, trying to push up back. But like we said, the bull divs aren't diving right now. NASDAQ trying to hold on right now as well. Bull divin and trying to push back. We'll see where we get to today, guys. And thank you, everybody, for being here. And sorry for losing it on that guy, but he's been negative every single day he's come back into this place, man. How do I draw the support lines? Like the 69,420, like the horizontal, or the raise? Yesterday was a day of staring at the screen for me. No trades then, Hunt. Yeah. So the horizontal support lines, I think I have a video on how I do it. It's just general volume levels. So if you have a volume level, and they're macro levels, but if you have a volume level, look at the shelves. Okay, so you would see here, right? Like if this is your volume level, you would look, okay, here's a shelf, right? Here's a shelf, here's a shelf, here's a shelf, here's a shelf, here, right? Here's a shelf. And then from that, you can get key levels of support and resistance, right? And you can see that, like, if we hold this area, we can push up. And that's very much what they're based on. And I very rarely adjust them. So, like, when you look at the key levels on a higher term time frame, if we go out on, like, a 12-hour here, and we show you, I mean, I got levels all the way through the whole market, right? I mean, all the way down to 0, basically. But I've gone through my chart and I've plotted them out on key areas of where I'm looking for trades, and I've spaced them out accordingly to the way I trade. Okay, so they're typically 1% apart, generally. Okay, so if I take 1% in here, right, they're generally that far apart depending on them. I use the red ones to mark out the critical levels, and then the white ones to mark out the in-betweens. And I'm looking to work from red to red, right? So you can see here, I'd say working from red to red has been really good, right? Right? So you can see how the volume levels work throughout. But very important. And it allows me to, so what they do allow me to do is look for targets too. So if I'm long anywhere in here, right, I'd be like, okay, we're going to see some resistance up here. Okay, we're going to see some resistance up here, right? If I'm short from here, right, oh, we're going to see some resistance here. It also allows me to mitigate. So if I'm, let's say I was short here, it allows me to understand that, hey, my invalidation, I can be pretty tight here because we do have a key level of resistance here. So if we start closing above here, right, I'm probably wrong, right? So it also tells me, like, if I'm short here, I can put my stop loss above that one there, right? Look to target down to this one, right? So it's very useful, in my opinion, to have these levels, because it allows me to, like, just really have another level of understanding. That's why we were looking for buys down here, shorts right here last night, right? So we were looking for shorts right here yesterday. Not only was it golden pocket 786 area, but it's a key level of resistance, right? That's why we're looking for shorts here, right? And then look at how well it pays, all the way down red to red, right? So if this then that, right, it's just another added layer. It's something that I used from the very beginning, so it's something that I've always used, and it's helped me a lot, right? If you trade level to level, like, that's all I use on Solana. My Solana levels are, you know, people pay just for my Solana levels, so I'm not going to show them. But my Solana levels are fucking fire. I swore again. I'm on fire today with the swearing. The Discord is going to be rich. Oh, man. It's going to be a big payday for the Discord. Happy Thursday, everybody. So thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day and supporting the channel. By doing that, that really helps out the community. And thank you for supporting me by using all the links or whatever the heck you guys do. I don't even know. If you do want the best Bitunix link in all of crypto, it's right here. If you do want to support the channel, I'll pin that in the comments so you have it. VIP 3 for 6 months with trading deposits and bonuses. So that's there for you guys as well. And where do you find the volume horizontal? I just marked the horizontals on the chart like this. Okay, what was the song request? You want the VWAP song? Someone wants the VWAP song. What song did you want? Fibs is better? I love Fibs, yeah. Fibs is the best. He wasn't the one that's talking smack about Kyle's trade in the Discord, is he? I don't know. I'm not sure. Coffee time, yeah. It's about strawberry reggae. Give it the VWAP slap, yeah. Some people don't like the VWAP slap one either. I can't find something that everyone likes. I'm just I mean, you guys all like the intro song? Douche Canoe song? We do Douche Canoe song today. Just get it stuck in your head. Otter Gang. Thank you for being here, everybody. I'll be back.
Yeah. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang, gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. 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 Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. All the dang. Gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a namby-pamby. Yeah. All the gang. Gang. Don't be a douche douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang, gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, 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 nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. Hardest gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. All the dang. Gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Yeah. All the gang. Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe,
Little one in the jet if you're long.
Wait for the trade. Hardest gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi.
All right. Well, initial jobless claims coming in flat. Sorry for getting upset there with that one guy. I shouldn't get pissed off at people. It's not worth my time. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Let's see where the market brings us today. We'll go through, do a top-down analysis. Thank you all for being here and hanging out and supporting the channel. Let's see where we are really on market cipher. Taking a look here, we can see that the higher term time frames were looking really good yesterday, which is always tricky, right? So whenever you see like market cipher here, and we look at this now, we can see the trigger wave that snuck in here yesterday. We were looking for this to push out. Now we can look for anchor trigger potentially, but still concerning, right? Because why? Because right now, if this continues to push down, we have a lot more room to go, right? There's a lot more room in here, and if this is confirmed, which it is, which would suggest downwards here. Now, VWAP is overextended, so we could be looking for a higher low, but that could be coming in, Sunday, right? If this is going to do what it looks like it's going to do, right? And then the daily trigger wave that we were looking at as well has flipped red. So Money flow still trying to come in here, but still not looking the greatest. Okay, very much chop consolidation here. Daily candle, exhaustion, right? We were talking about that this morning. Exhaustion in the highs, exhaustion in the highs. Bearish engulfing candle, rotation down, while oil is ripping, right? So oil continues to rip to the upside. So we would like to long out of here, but right now we're just chopping and dropping, right? So we should just ride the gravy train down. If you are short from up here, very nice, good work. We did give the long or the short area last night before bed. So coming into our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1, and the bias really that we develop for the day is based off of this and how we as a community look to take advantage of price action. So we can see the rollover here happening, but we can see VWAP is starting to push back a little bit. So there's a little bit of relief potentially coming. Relief, not full retracement, full-blown bullish. Obviously this is all choppy, news-driven data that's coming out in Trump tweets and price changes, right? So looking for that potential pushback, but money is coming out quite aggressively, and you don't typically see this unless it's a big move. Okay, so pretty aggressive here. The 3, the 2, the 1. So looking at this, right? VWAP potentially pulling this over, but we don't see that sign just yet, right? So we still got a bit of time to look for this thing to bounce. However, right now we'll see. Little sweep up, trying to reclaim key levels of support and resistance here at 69,420 and then break this momentum. But it does look like we are getting a little bit of a pushback here. Is it a full-on pushback or is it just a retracement? We can, look at our fibs here and see, hey, man, we're coming up to golden pocket, yada, yada, yada. Right now, it's got to, close above the highs, show us some proof in the pudding, and really get going in the next couple of hours if we're going to look for potential bottoming structure. We can see, the attempt happening on the NASDAQ this morning as well. Okay, so can it get going? Can it break some structure, right? We'd like to see it get above these highs in here on the DAC and then get going. That's the hopium. However, the trend is down. Okay, very simple. The trend is down. So we watch for that as well. Solana's very, very beaten up in comparison to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's hanging around right here. Solana has rolled off a cliff. Okay, so looking nasty for Solana and most altcoins here. So let's not get too hopium with a pump. Let's just be objective and patient today as much as possible. Looking at the 2 and the 1 here. The 2 is pushing back. Okay, you can see that. But any pushback was met with resistance even on the way down here. So you can see the 2-hour pushback and then the dump. 2-hour pushback. What will we guess next, right? Fool me once, right? Fool me once, don't fool me twice. So looking at that as well on our price action here. So trying to push back, but not really. We'll see. It's really about the momentum starting to change direction. We want to see that clip, right? And that rollover. That's kind of what I'd be looking for. And then the 1 hour here is showing that clip, right? So we can see the clip here, right? So we can see whoop and the clip, bloop, right? So when these cross, you see this momentum is crossing over. And we're starting to print a green dot. So potential for a pushback here. Potential. Okay, nice hourly candle close coming into 9 o'clock. Not bad. Pushing halfway down the candle. Well, we would look for rejection, really, because of where we've gone to recently. So just watching that closely as we proceed here and looking to hold this platinum pocket bounce level. So we'll see what we get today, guys. I think, I've been trading pretty disciplined, right? I just trying to mitigate, trying to mitigate the mistakes, right? Trying to not overtrade this market, trying to just be patient, right? It's critical. It's critical. Otherwise you end up just giving it away because this market will punish you for not being patient right now. It's bear market price action, which means you got a lot of chop and a lot of pop. So, we want to wait to be objective to see what makes sense and then execute based on that. Otherwise, it's tricky territory here. What up, Squid? Good to see you, man. Oil dumping on the 1 minute. oil getting above this key support and resistance flip. So this is the key level here that concerns me with oil, right? You see the support and resistance flip, right? Can clearly see that all day, every day, right? So that's the concern right now, is that oil has reclaimed this. So it looks to rotate to the top of the range, which is $100, which is not good. Which is not, yeah, not good. Not good at all. We shall see. Climbing up here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And we'll see where we get to here today, guys. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. 142 likes, 350 people in here on the live stream helping me. Is it likely to get to 72 plus still? I mean, it's still very possible. Still very possible. Like if we're looking at higher term time structure, right? We are still continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. Bull markets do this, though, or bear markets do this. We do have more higher lows. You're just not really getting anywhere, right? So we're still in this uptrend, right? However, we didn't even get to our like golden pocket rejection level. So here we got our head and shoulders pattern, right? Trying to break out and get going. Very much down for this, but right now this is showing extreme weakness in the highs, right? Failing to even push into the imbalance up here, showing a lot of weakness, in my opinion, right? I mean, this guy tweets, we go up, and then we go down, right? When he's not tweeting, we're going down, which is the concern, right? He's trying to, I don't know. You can see how he's trying to hold the market up, right? Like this whole move right here was all a tweet. It was all a tweet. I used to read Word Up magazine, right? So very, very sporadic news-driven price action. So even on the way up here, look at how choppy it's been, right? Coming into market open, we got 23 minutes. So we wait here. Try to be objective and patient. That's the key. What's going on, Jay Valek? Good to see you. Wait till I see the post in the family chat. You guys better be behaving yourselves. Oh my God. Guys. Let's go. He's got the headlamp. He's got the cape. And it's his wife's birthday. Bro, he knew the assignment, guys. Andrew Cameron knew the assignment. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, that is priceless, man. He's got the cape. He's got the headlamp. He's waiting for the wife to just start waking up, man. Andrew Cameron in the chat. Oh my. My hero, bro. What a legend, man. Your wife's lucky. If you're just tuning in this morning, it's Andrew Cameron, who's been a Discord member for a long time. It's his wife's birthday, so I drew a picture. He said his wife's sleeping. I said, you know the assignment. His wife is sleeping in bed here. I said, you got to go in here. You got to put on the Superman cape. And you got to go muff diving this morning. And then he sends that picture. I said, this is your job while she's sleeping. You got to fly in here like Superman. And do your thing. And then he puts it on, man. He knew the assignment. It's too good. What a fucking legend, man. Even Superman in our Discord is commenting right now. Wild. I love you, bro. That was too good. That made my morning. Andrew Cameron. Jeanette. Wild times. Love the headlamp. Yeah, we were saying you needed the headlamp, right? You got to navigate. You don't want to go spree lunking in the wrong hole. You never know. Slurping man. Good to see you, Jen. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. All I ask is you say good morning. Good morning in the chat. I'd like to recognize you in the chat and help you guys navigate these charts in the morning. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. Pump and dumps, baby. Pump and dumps. So we'll see where we get to. Breaking down here. Bitcoin trying to push back into market open. Looking like it's rolling over. The SPY looking for the gap down. Okay, looking at the ES as well. We can see the ES has rolled off a cliff. So we expect a gap down for the SPY this morning. Coming to fill this gap. And we'll see where we get to. But this is not looking good for the SPY either. So a big trickle down for the ES. We would expect the same for the SPY. Okay. NASDAQ looking for a break and rotation up. Nothing as of yet. Okay, some of you guys are long, some of you guys are short. Congratulations. Don't forget to pay yourselves in this environment. Good morning, Curtis Hill, my man. Nice cape, says Superman. Oh, man. Dave, did you make a Pink Box After Dark song?
Hard again. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is.
Andrew Cameron.
It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Woo, yeah.
Dave, always on time, man. Dave is always on time. Oh, man. I mean, it's the only pink box that pays you guys. Otter gang. What was that? Everybody in this morning here has a chub now. Good job, Dave. Good job. All right. I need a cigarette. Oh, man. I need a cigarette. Yeah, I hear you. It's got to be the best here. The pink box, yeah. All right. 16 minutes to market open. So we have the idea, right? So we've trickled down, rotated down 3%. Levels given advance in the Discord. Happy days. Looking to push back. However, we want to see confirmation of that pushback. Nice little bull div in here trying to get going. Okay, downtrending momentum breaking. Potential for like a swing long here. Okay, potential, but I'm not really interested in taking a trade like this until possibly later on today. I'd rather just scalp. And right now it's choppy, so it's not really that enticing. Looking for NASDAQ to break and go. No break just yet. SPY gap down. So gap downs typically, whenever you gap down, you typically produce some sort of structure and then you fill the gap. That's typically how we look to trade it every single day, right? Like if we gap up, we look for whatever and then fill the gap, right? We gap up like this, right? We chop, then we fill the gap, right? You see how it works? You fill the gap. Okay. You gap down, you chop, you fill the gap, right? You can see how it works. You gap up, right? You come back, you fill the gap over time, right? You gap down, you chop, you fill the gap, then you continue down. So there's many ways to trade it. It's just like a little bias to directional bias throughout the day. We'll see how that helps. Right now, Bitcoin is crawling upwards. And oil's pretty flat right now. Maybe a Adam and Eve pattern here. So oil could break down here. Mini Adam and Eve, right? Measured move. Oil could come back down to this 93 support. Very possible. And Bitcoin looking to climb a little bit here. So not bad. I'm still not interested in longing this right here. This price action is just crawling. So patience right now for me. Crypto-backed mortgages. That's interesting, run to mouth. That should be interesting. Well, we have the breakout here, guys. We are breaking out. Can it go? Can it go? I'm starting to feel the FOMO. I'm not really feeling the FOMO. It's just enough, though. They're just starting to enticing buyers. So what are they doing this morning, right? So they've clearly, everybody, you know, like normal people wake up around here and they can see we're just rolling over. Okay, and now they've swept down, and now they're pushing up slowly. So what are they doing? They're enticing buyers, right? They're creating liquidity. They're trapping leverage in the trades, right? Coming into market open, we're expecting a gap down. So whenever we expect a gap down and price is doing this, we typically are looking for a liquidity sweep. We're looking for a sweep and go, generally. Trend is still down. So we can look for topping structure and shorts as well. And if this fails to hold here, we're looking to sweep this low here, right? I should actually have this on the low. Not necessarily on. Yeah. And that's where we're looking to go, right? Where are the trap traders? Well, people who are long down here at our golden pocket, right? The long from the golden pocket, which was given in our Discord in advance and taken by Wave Cipher and shown, which is brilliant. However, full round tripping, right? So if you're not paying yourself in this market, you're asking to give it back. So we'll see what this brings. 370 people in here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys using the Bitunix link, joining the Discord, being part of the family, hanging out here every morning, saying good morning, not being weird, and not being a complete troll. What if we lose the wick at 69, 68? This one down here. So if we lose this structure here, we're looking at the pink box at 67, 68,000. Then we're looking to go to 68,000 pretty quickly. At the pink box. Dave Digital pink box.
The pink box. Oh, the pink box. The pink box. The pink box. Watch that candle box. Won't feed it to me, baby.
Rush hour, anybody? Chimone. Chimone Lee. Round 2 already? Yeah, man. That's how it happens. When you're a 2-pump chump off the get-go, man, you got to go round 2 almost right away. Right? Oh, man. Here you go, Buck.
Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. The pink box. The pink box.
Everybody's smoking cigarettes to this. This song makes me want a Snickers.
Let's get in the pink box.
We all know Buck is obsessed with trading the pink box. As soon as I shared my super charts, he's like, oh, back to pink boxes. Too good. Too good. Well, we have another banger there. This hasn't even tapped VWAP. Standard deviation 1 rejections all the way down. My God. This is some hell of a market lately, guys. I'm glad you're here with me and hanging out. Most people have left, so you guys are the real ones. And I do appreciate you guys for hanging out here. So a couple of you guys got long here. Oh, you guys are braver than me, man. Very brave. Taking the trades, showing the trades. No trades right now. Just waiting, guys. We'll see what we get. I don't know what we started the account at this week, but we started at $10,000 last Monday. We're at $9,868. Doing it, showing you the trades, taking the trades here live every morning, helping you guys navigate the charts, making crypto honest again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Pay yourselves. Environment is everything. Bias is everything right now. We are in a very volatile, choppy, sporadic market. Your job is to preserve your capital, be patient, wait for the market to come to you, execute the trade with good risk management, maybe lower your position size, be present and learn as much as you can right now. So when the market does flip bullishly or does flip into, not even bullishly, when it flips into an actual, when there's volume and more buyers and sellers present, right? Like this is just choppy because there's not as many people in the markets right now because it's uncertain. When it's more certain, you'll see the market will move in any direction, but it'll be flowing. It won't be, crawling. This is crawling, right? And this isn't easy to trade. But if you learn how to be disciplined in these environments and you learn how to wait for SFPs, you learn how to wait for, continuation shorts, you get paid here. Just not, generally not as well unless you're patient. And this typically wrecks people. So my suggestion is to put physical barriers in front of yourself. I'm typically trading a $50,000, $70,000, $100,000 account on here. I'm trading a $10,000 account because I put physical barriers in front of me to allow me to not risk as much money, therefore allowing me to preserve my capital, take small wins, right, over time. And yes, okay, I made it $600-$700 yesterday, and I could have made whatever, $1,500, but who knows? If I have taken 2 losses yesterday and I'm down $4,000, I'm not gonna want to trade again, right? So we must be adaptive in trading, right? We're always adapting to new circumstances within the markets, right? But if we don't understand how to change early, okay, if you don't know how to adapt early, you end up paying for it, right? Just like I did, right? I did it in January, right? So January, we were getting this big ass run up. Where was it here? Yeah, January. Right here, right? Yeah. So in January, start of the year, we had this big run up here. And I made 40 racks, right? And then I lost 23 on the way down, right? I got sick here. So I didn't adjust to this and the rollover, right? I made 40 here. I lost 23 here, right? So, and it was because I didn't adjust here. I kept trading the same way as I did here, and I ended up paying for it, right? So we want to, the key is recognizing it early is what I'm trying to say. You recognize it early, like we've recognized that this is, at the end of March here, we recognize that we were in this like wartime price action choppiness here, and we've been able to adjust and be profitable, right? Since, right? Since coming down and rolling over here, right? Since this area in here, since the end, from February, from here on, right? We've made 33 plus 9, so we're up about $40,000 through this time. Now it took longer. Half a month I made this, right? But in 2 months I've made this as well, right? But I've adjusted because of the environment of the market, right? I showed everybody I deposited 33 grand into my bank account, right? And then I started with 10 here. Now we're almost at 20, right? So you do the math, right? $43,000 in a couple months. I think that's pretty good, right? But it's being able to adjust to the environment as we proceed to give you what you need, right? If you're not able to do that, you're going to pay for it, right? I'd rather be slow and steady over time, right, than try to make a quick buck, right? It's longevity in this game. It's also preserving your capital, right? What physical barriers? So you reduce your account size, right? You don't keep all your money on the exchange, right? I need an egg sandwich. All you guys can hear is the pink live to trade another day. I use 44x leverage. Leverage is a tool, though. It's to keep less money on the exchange, right? Are those songs available in the Discord? Yes, they are, Chantel. I'll do the I'll do the full playlist. I got the full playlist here. The OG music. Except for my original. Two minutes till market opens, baby. We got spoon feeding, douche canoes.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo.
Oh, Mark Dutch, man, you guys.
AlexOCrypto.
Are you thirsty, Mark? Or are you absolutely famished, mate?
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious.
Making these waters forbidden. Look at me for the TRB. All right. Coming into market open. Let's go, baby. Gap down for the SPY as expected. We'll see here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Coming into market open. Hopefully, we have a beautiful trading morning. Thank you for waiting with me here and hanging out. Little crawl up this morning to start the day. Big gap down. There's our gap down. Big dump on this. Oof. Wow. Okay. Big dump here on the S&P in the place to be. You can see this thing rolling over hard this morning. Yikes. Big sweep down into this downtrending momentum line here. Bitcoin flat. Okay, Solana. Stiletto pattern trying to bounce out of here. NASDAQ, big dump down, coming back down. And the SPY dumping quite aggressively here. Yee, not looking good here. SPY down 1% to start the day. Bitcoin rolling over as well. Doji engulfing. Continuation trade down we go. We'll see. Trapping shorts, potentially. Trapping shorts, trying to push back here. We'll see if we can reclaim the 420 level. NASDAQ trying to bounce out of here. We'll see how this materializes as well. Not looking too good. SPY holding on for dear life. Has taken the liquidity out of the lows here. Okay, next stop down here. Yikes. Okay, a little pushback here on Bitcoin. Trying to go. Can it get going? That is the question. Defending the zero line here on the oscillator. Trying to push back. NASDAQ, can we push back? Let's go, baby. Push. Sporadic. Okay, very, very choppy market today, guys. So make sure you guys are using good risk management and being patient here. No trade as of yet. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Thank you guys for smashing those like buttons, subscribing if you're new, and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys for being here and hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. Wild times. The original track was made by a guy called Kid Mental from Africa. He made my original track, which was gifted to me by a Discord member. So it's actually real, the actual track. So there you go. We will go lower, right? We'll see. I think right now there's a little bit of a battle going on. If we do roll over, I don't know. I like the rounding here, so we could have a little bit of a pushback. SPY holding this key downtrending momentum here. Bitcoin trying to get above this downtrending momentum. I like the long into here, and I like the long into here. So I need confirmation. Like, I mean, we have break here, but this is just downtrending momentum, right? So it's not really convincing me to long just yet. I'm just trying to remain patient here as price continues to slowly bleed out into the days. So a little bit of patience right now, I think's all I have. Yeah, SPY's continuing to bleed out. Oil. Well, there's that oil move. Hadn't the Adam and Eve pattern rotation down. Could be bullish. But right now, just looking weak all across the board. No real pushback here on the NASDAQ. Yeah, SPY continuing to trickle down and Bitcoin following suit. All right, pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Rip the Band-Aid off Bitcoin. Just get going, man. Big rollover here this morning. And thank you guys for being here. Kyle's passing target has been hit. Rotation down. New signal from HRJ coming in for the gang. I actually like that token too. We'll see where we get to. Rolling over here, guys. Big old Dumperelli. Big old Dumperelli. Trying to hold here on the SPY. Huh? We'll see. We'll see. Human beings are disease. Like to see the sweep and go here. Maybe we sweep the lows and get bouncing, but right now you should be short. Down we go, Geronimo. How is Elo Brown? Have you seen? I haven't heard from Elo Brown in a while, man. I should message him though. Elo Brown did give the song to us generously when I was new. God bless Elo Brown. Hopefully he's doing well. I think he was traveling last time I talked to him. I should message him. I have him on Twitter. I'll message him. Gotta love the old school members, man. Elo Brown. I just messaged him. said, how you doing? 462 people in here. Bitcoin rolling over. Soft shell tool. Thanks, Dad. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. Thanks, Dad. Just dump it, Dad. Just dump it, Dad. Solana going to 0. Jeez. Little sweep and bounce here. I am still not convinced on the long. Sweep and bounce. Slurp. Slurp beatbox. That's what we should do. Wick test coming in here. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Solana rotation down. Bitcoin rotation down. Nope, pushing back here, Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing back, sweep and go. It's a good candle. This is a good candle. That sweep is good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Coming for the shorts. Push back, push back, push back across the board. How do you long that? It didn't even take the low here, guys. Didn't even take this low. You can't. That's no trade, right? Rules based, it has to take this low in order for me to long that. Failing to get above 69,420 again. Coming back for late shorts. This is so gross, man. No touchy. No touchy. My God. You guys all get long on that or what? Not me. Still no trade. Trapping longs. 480 people on the live, man. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. I'm the handyman. F no, says SMA. F no. Still on the shorts, yeah. Patricio Marquez. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Why don't you create a copy trading in Bitunix? I never ever want to be in. I never ever want to be in charge of anybody's money ever, or have anything to do with it, man. This is never financial advice. I ain't your dad. I never want to copy trade. Like I would feel it would impact the way I trade because I care about people. So I would try to yeah, I would definitely yeah, it would affect the way I trade. That's why I don't do it. If I was stay thirsty, my friends. My man, Mr. DJ Patricio. Good to see you, man. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. I'll call you daddy if you let me copy trade you. I've had offers. I can't see myself. I can't see myself. Where is your next trip to? Where am I going? I'm going to California this weekend. I'm not going to be streaming on Monday and Tuesday. I haven't told you guys yet. I'll be updating the Discord and giving levels and all that stuff, but I'm not streaming on Monday or Tuesday. You guys can all party with someone else. I'm going to see Tradefly, and we're going golfing. That's what I'm doing. I don't know about you guys. I didn't get to go to Mexico. I'm playing I'm playing Torrey Pines, D Jenny, so I'm gonna shoot probably 100. But why don't I stream with Tradefly? We could stream with Tradefly. I'm gonna bring my travel setup. I have a travel setup. I'm gonna bring it. When am I gonna come to Houston? I think I'll come. I'm gonna visit Army Piper eventually as well. He's visiting me first, and then I'm gonna visit him. Live on the links, yeah. Torrey Pines, baby. Yeah, I can't wait. Dreams do come true, man. So meet up in San Diego? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Low's not taken, rotation down, chop. Guys, this is so disgusting, man. I'm just gonna trade Asia. Rotation down, that's what I see right now. So I wait. I wait here. That's it. That's my job. He's in Dallas. Houston Army. Outside of Houston. Is Dallas and Houston really far apart? How far are they apart? She's got freckles on her butt. She's pretty. Of course, Jimbo. Of course. 3.5 hours? That's nothing, man. 4 hours in the Lambo? 2 hours in the Lambo, Jimbo? So I can go somewhere in the middle. Is there a golf course in the middle? And you guys can all come hang out with me. I'd like to go to a Dallas Stars game. You guys have got McJesus every year kicking your ass. This is me today, guys. Dallas sucks. Let's meet at the mothership. I'd like to move to Texas just to get the accent. I'm in the Texas of Canada. I'm in Alberta. You know? Howdy, partner. Nice push up here. Let's go. Looking like we're getting a bid. Here comes bids. Guys. Strengthen the move across the board. Enticing buyers. Strengthen the move. This is good. Chop at the bottom, then push up. I hate this price action right now, guys. Big candle energy here. Big candle energy, guys. Probably a tweet. Orb is in. I love how I don't have to draw the orb. It just pops on the chart, man. That's so sexy. Gotta love the orb. Just pow. It's in, baby. And we're flying. We're flying to Valhalla. Let's go. Coming back, liquidating all these beautiful shorts in here. He must have tweeted something. He must have been Baron go long. Baron go long. You got a Baron go long, everybody. Coming into this order block right now on that Baron go long trade. Baron go long. Oh yeah? Were you the fluffer? I'm joking. Farmer was the fluffer on the movie. He fluffed Mike, Nick, and Alex. He was fluffing Mike, Nick, and Alex. Right, Farmer? What are you using for the orb indicator? I made my own indicator. Do I need an indicator to do it? No, but I prefer it. Drawing lines is hard. I've been doing it for years now. You fluffed them good? Farmer's a tradesman, so he probably helped build the sets and stuff, guys. Okay. It's on Disney. Of course it's fluffing. He does the like make it look good construction. It doesn't have to necessarily be structural. It just has to look good, guys. Doesn't have to be structural. Just has to look good. Still no trade, guys. I made the stripper pull stage and the pole. Yeah, he... Too much thoughts going through my mind. Jesse is Farmer, by the way. TRD Farmer. That's his normal name. He's been with us from day one. I took Farmer for breakfast when I drove through Manitoba. Love you, bro. Hopefully you and the family are doing well. See? As long as you're not weird, I'll meet up with you and say hello. Don't be weird, though. Don't be weird. Continuation here. Looking to push. Retest to previous highs, orb high. So we're looking here right now. Sit still and wait. That's it, guy. You're right, Kemp. You're absolutely correct, bro. Will you be coming to the UK at any point? I'm going to, I'll be in Birmingham in October for a wedding. I'll be in Birmingham. Birmingham. Wait till you meet him to be weird. Yeah. That's it, right? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I have to go to a wedding there, Dylan. Unfortunately, I don't want to go to Brum. I don't like Brum that much. I'd rather go to Scotland. That's where I like. I love Scotland. Rotation down, continuation, retest to previous highs. Trying to push out here. No trade still. We'll be trading live in the Discord after this if you are a Discord member. So be prepared to jump into the Discord after this and continue trading with no delay. Imagine having no delay. Magical trades. This is a test of my patience. Sweeping the highs, retest of the order block. Order block tap rejection here. Very nice tap rejection here. So rotation down here, overextended to the upside. Okay, trapping longs up at the highs. Trapping longs up at the highs. No trade right now, still waiting. Looking for a continuation here. Can it go? It's not a good candle. This is not a good candle. A little bit of buyers stepping up at the end of that candle, but still weak. No follow through. NASDAQ trying to push. So is the SPY. SPY's trying to push as well. Maybe follow through up into the WAP. We'll see if we can get up into the WAP here. VWAP slap, order block tap, potential short. We'll see. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I need to know, guys. 205 likes here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. I always think the crystal balls are Mario mushrooms. Yahoo! I'm gonna win. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I think we got a little bit of chance for continuation here, but I don't know how high we're gonna get, guys. Hands, hands, hands. Yeah, a lot of you guys waiting like me. I mean, no trades right now. Still waiting. Bitcoin pushing though. Fire continuation. Continuation up. Another sweep of the highs into order block rejection. Give me the VWAP slap. Yeah, man. Bitcoin's ripping.
Other gang, let's go. Lord of the King,
Strawberries in the chat, baby. If you know, you know.
Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns down, get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Stop it, hit the pink dots, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap.
AI song, yes. This is a Dave Digital creation.
At the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push it, get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick.
Enticing buyers at the highs, no trade here still. Coming back, order block tap, continuation trade.
Hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap.
Everyone except for my...
Trade the buns, don't get chopped.
They're all AI songs except for my main.
Take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Stay true to the
NASDAQ getting a nice push off the bottom here.
gang.
SPY looking strong too, pushing back. Nice climb here on the 1 minute. Getting a bit overextended though. Still looking for retracement back down into our 420 level. Funnily enough, looking for that follow through into here. Coffee eventually, yeah. Well, thanks, wife. Punching again. My wife brought me muffins yesterday. Now she's offered to get me a coffee. I don't know what I've done, guys. Maybe I should play the Pink Box song for her tonight. What do you guys think? You think it's the night, guys? Pink Box song? Welcome to the family, Simple Jack. Welcome to the family, man. God bless you. Thank you for joining the Otter Gang family. You're asking for direction here. You just go into in this part of the website here, Dylan, or Simple Jack. Go here, click the orange button. Should give you access, my friend. Welcome to the family. Thank you for joining the Otter Gang, and hopefully we can help you jump into those videos, man. And we'll be jumping into the trades right after the stream today. Is it polite to ask about other pink boxes when your wife's in the room? I mean, I'm loyal to the coil. My wife doesn't care really what if I talk about other pink boxes. This is aggressive. Aggressive dump. Very aggressive dump. Warning sign, warning sign, warning sign. Trapping longs, order block taps, double taps, triple taps. No VWAP slap. Retesting highs. I prefer a little bit lower. Testing the orb right now. Holding orb. I mean, if you're swing trading, you could be looking at something like this, right? But not for me right now. That's a very nasty candle, guys. Sellers stepping up, pushing price down. Still no trades, guys. This is it's so sporadic. I mean, trapping longs up at the highs and then dumping it down very aggressively, coming back for late longs. Okay, enticing buyers all the way up. NASDAQ retesting support. SPY needs to come back down here. Trying to bounce out of here. Got a little bit of a balloon dog forming here, trying to push back. Market cipher overextended a little bit here on the 3 minute. 12 minutes still got room to push. Very aggressive candle this morning. Very aggressive. Coming back for all those shorts. Imbalance up top here, right? So it's taken the imbalance out of the market. It's tapped the order block. It's rotated back down. Halfway down the candle. Continuation trade possibility here. Still looking for a reversal structure. Didn't close above these highs, guys. So could continue down here. Halfway down the candle. Retracement continuation here. We'll see. Patience right now. Coming into our buy level, but not necessarily... not that excited by it. We have come back down to retest that support now. Move is complete here for the Adam and Eve on the beautiful oil. So oil has come down, but looks like we are rolling back over here, guys. Okay. Patience is key here. Slap into our 420 level could be a potential buy, but right now don't want to F with the downtrending momentum. Big sweep and go. Can we push back here? Woof. Big sweep and go. Retest and go. Push. Could have taken that trade. Retest to previous highs. Halfway down the candle. Bounce. Could have longed that. Could have longed that. I just didn't like the way we were coming down into this area here. It's a nice pushback, though. Very nice pushback on NASDAQ. Very nice pushback on SPY. Looking for follow through here. Nice push. Consolidation up at the highs here would be ideal, though, if we get some sort of chop in here and then we get going. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Discord. Best Discord in all of crypto. Signals, setups. There's Buck fighting an alligator. Lessons, tutorials, you name it. It's all there, guys. Incredible. 8 traders helping you guys every single day. Every single day. So, incredible. Nice pushback here. I like this. This is looking strong now. I like this. I wish we came a little bit lower, but that's okay. Momentum break, continuation up here. If you longed here, I salute you. I was late to the party. I was late. Definitely late. See if we can push here. 450 people here. Over 200 likes. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. That means the world to me. And don't forget to use the Bitunix link if you do want deposit bonus and VIP 3 for 6 months. We have an exclusive deal here for the Otter Gang only. The Otter Gang deal. And hopefully that helps you guys with your trading fees and good liquidity and all that stuff. So don't forget to use that link as well. Thank you, wife. Ah, that's hot. Oof. I'm an idiot. I grabbed the bottom of the mug. Ow. Oof. Give me fuel, give me foul, give me the sign. Boom, 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 boom. Take the money and run. You guys all along or what? Or retest coffee indicator 101. Metallica, yeah, let's go. We're going to Torrey Pines there, baby. We're going to Torrey Pines. Nice long, took profit, stopped to break even. Nice, good work. Does that Pink Box song work? I need some help. We'll see, man. We'll see, man. So long. Yeah. I see it. I can see the so long, but if oil finds support here, it's going to dump, guys. That's my warning. If oil finds support here, it's going to dump. You've been warned. Okay? NASDAQ, Steve Ruglin at the highs. Take the money and run. I hate this price action. It's especially like it's okay for it to be chopping slow, but when it's chopping fast and really not getting anywhere, like New York session is, it's a gong show. It's an absolute gong show. Didn't take the low here. Came into the buy level, but took these lows, but didn't take this low here. Bounced out of the low here, right? Clearly, we would have wanted to long down here, but I like this bounce here. Like I said, so oil's rolling through here. Okay, that's a good sign. I'm just not confident on the move here. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's okay. At least I'm not wrecked. You can be wrong about the move, but it doesn't mean you have to participate. Money flow curving up here. I'd prefer this thing. I would prefer this, like coming back and sweeping and then going today. This is You know, bull divs, rounding bottoms, overextended to the downside. Key targets up here. Big order block here with VWAP though. So we got resistance in front of us. Lots of pressure here. But key target would be up in here. 70,300-ish area. If we can get going. Indecision at the highs here. And like I said earlier, like seeing a chop here would be good because then you're looking for that sweep and go, right? You're looking for this guy here. If we chop sideways here and we flag out, right? You're looking for this guy here, then we can execute. However, if oil keeps rolling over here, could look for SPY to find support and push out. Yeah. Push out. Indecision, try to continue. Indecision, trying to continue. All right. Continuation here. I feel bad for not taking trades, but I don't feel bad for not taking trades, you know? Oh, you living in Japan? Japanesey. I could do Japan. Japan would... I can't wait to go and visit Japan. Sorry, not sorry. That's it, yeah. Better be safe than sorry. It looks bullish, but it's... Take the money and run. Sitting on your hands is also a trade, yeah. I've learned that. I learned that the hard way from Trades by Matt as well. Trades by Matt. Trades by Matt has shown me to be patient. The market will always be moving, right? The market will always be moving. There will always be more trades. Our job is to be objective and patient. Also,
if you can be patient and trade,
I don't know if you guys, Market Clubhouse, this guy absolutely crushes it. I forget his name.
trading will pay you handsomely. If you can be patient in trading will pay you handsomely. So sad because at the end of the day, this is getting majorly frustrated from horrible price action. I mean, the markets are going to do what the market's going to do. You don't have any control over anything other than the fact that when you put on risk, right? Stop thinking that you have any control of where the market is going. You don't. It's just like surfing a wave. If the break sucks, you don't sit there and scream at the ocean and then go in there and drown. You just wait for a better day. If you can be patient in trading will pay you handsomely. If you can be patient.
Facts, man. Facts. That guy makes hundreds of thousands of dollars on a daily basis. $200,000, $300,000. That guy's absolutely crushing it. I mean, Trades by Matt, I think 3 days ago, Trades by Matt made $25,000 or $23,000 in one scalping session live. Okay. Base hits, patience, long-term outlook, right? Base hits, patience, long-term outlook, right? That's it. Take the money and run. See, I wanted to get long up here, right? And like, look at this thing. It's not. It's longable. Is it going to make me money? Who's the first guy? Who's the guy? Who did I? Trades by Matt? Trades by Matt? I'll send you guys to his stream today if you guys want. I think he's streaming. I don't know if he's streaming. I'd have to check. Yeah, he's streaming today. I'll show some respect and send you guys to Trades by Matt. We're going to go and trade in the Discord. Oil's finding support. Yeah, it's trying to push here. Yeah, this is a critical level for oil to defend right here, so we'll see. Well, we're gonna go into the Discord and continue trading, everybody. Who was that? Who was that short that I just played? His name has slipped my mind. Oh my god. I can find out for you 1 second here. Let me look. He's more active on Twitter. He's incredible though, man. Guy's hitting like $200,000-$300,000 trades on a daily, man. Incredible trader. What's his name? I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. I'm trying to find him. Rotation down now. Double top. Up at the highs here. Thanks for being here, R-Pink. God bless you, bro. You guys are incredible. Everybody here is incredible, man. You guys are real ones showing up in this market trying to make some money. I'm glad you're here with me hanging out. Hopefully we can continue to crush it together. You know, it's been slow and steady. It's been a good week so far. I mean, no complaints. It's been good. Right now, rotation down, coming into our support level again. Oh man, I can't find this guy. I'm scrolling. I'm doom scrolling now at this point. I'm doom scrolling.
If you can be paid.
What's his damn name? Can't find it. Does he have a Twitter link on his thing? Selling rips. Rips. R-I-P-S. Rips. That's it. Rips. R-I-P-S. Rips. Rips. R-I-P-S. That's who it is. Sorry. Took me so long. I mean, look at the P&L. Right? Crushing it. There you go. All that searching. Just for you guys. Wild. Rips is the one making that. Yeah. He's the one who's... I see him $40,000, $80,000 trades. I think I've seen him make $400,000 in one day. I've also seen him lose $250,000 in one day, guys. So that's trading. You take such good care of us, AlexOCrypto. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Jesse, you know that, bro. I love you, man. I appreciate that. Not buying the top last in, guys. We're coming down right now. Patience. Please. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out with me. I do appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thirsty Thursday. Stay thirsty, my friends. And God bless you and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
So what? Now what?
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disc.